Hey, what's going on everyone? My name is D and I represent New Touch Auto. In this video, we're going to show you how to remove your tail lights from your 2015 and up Mustang. Now this Ford Mustang here is not too complicated to take out this tail light. A few steps, we're going to jump right into them. Now the tools we're going to use a plastic pry tool. We're going to use a 10mm socket. It's going to have to be a deep socket. And the rest will be pretty much straightforward. First thing first, you want to go ahead and open your trunk. Go to the inside, because that's the only way you're going to be able to accomplish this. Now here, you have two cargo net hooks on each side. You have one here, and then you have one below down there. They simply twist off. Pretty much just put them to the side. Don't want to lose them. Then you go to the other side and you're going to perform the same thing on both sides. I have my two sitting there. Now we're going to lift the bottom up right here. Lift up your mat. You can take it out or you can push it to the back. Okay, so I moved it to the back. Therefore, I'm able to get on this back side here. Now this panel here is pretty simple. You can pretty much pry it open. You can use your hand. Just be careful you don't want to cut your fingers on the sharp edges. But you can start up here and work your way to the middle. And you can sit that to the back side of your trunk. Now we want to remove this panel here. It's not going to come out, so therefore you want to fold it back. That's when our pry tool will come into play. So you want to go behind this clip here. Pop that clip out, and you have it on, you sit that down there, you have it on both sides. So once you get that out, you sit it to the side. So now we have that out the way. Go back over on this side. All right, so what we're gonna do is fold this panel back, and you have an electrical source down here. Now that electrical source, you wanna go ahead and disassemble. So you want to pull it out, and you see a tab right here. Push down on that tab, and then you pull out the electrical source from this connection, and just let that sit there. Then we have three screws that are 10mm screws right here. So you have two that are sitting there, and third 10mm screw is sitting right in the inside right there. We're gonna go ahead and attach those with a 10mm deep socket. We'll be able to pull out our light. Okay, so now we removed our three bolts that's holding the light. We got our electrical source detached. So now we can go ahead and pull out the light. And you simply take it out. There's a rubber grommet that's holding it. So in the electrical source, you want to remove this rubber grommet, slide your wires out, and your light should come out. And there you have it. It's just that simple. If y'all want to do the other side, you can follow the same process that you did for the driver's side. And to put them back, it's easy. Just watch this video in reverse. Now we have more on this car. We don't have it in this video, but if you want to learn how to on certain parts of this vehicle that you want to take off, things such as the door panels, side mirrors, or door handles, we got other videos. So this is a perfect time for those who haven't subscribed, man. Hit that subscribe button, because you will miss the videos that we have. My subscribers, I really appreciate y'all for sure, man. Thank y'all for the support. And we're pretty much buying and wrapping this vehicle. So we're gonna go ahead and finish this video, and thank y'all for watching.